Feel like you're stuck in a rut? Here's how positive thinking can transform your life. Louise Hay believed that our thoughts create our reality. By choosing positive thoughts, we can shift our mindset toward joy, luck, and abundance. First, recognize that you have the power to change any thought. Replace negative beliefs with affirmations of abundance, love, and prosperity. Next, live in the present. Louise Hay emphasized that the point of power is always in the now. Focus on what you can do today to create a joyful and abundant future by simply cultivating self-love. When you deeply love and accept yourself, attracting positive circumstances becomes natural. Finally, use daily affirmations. Repeat them aloud, especially in front of a mirror, to retrain your brain. Try this daily mantra. All is well in my world. Everything is working out to my highest good. Out of all my experiences, only good will come. And I am safe. Thank you. I love you. Unlock joy and abundance with positive thinking. You've got this.